Good morning. My name is Rusty, here with the Casara Credit Group. And today it's my pleasure to have Dave and Jennifer Shirley, another one of our success stories here at Casara Credit. Dave and Jennifer, I love your new home.
Thank you.
I really love the fireplace, but even more so, I like the screening back there. Today, I want to ask you, how does it feel to become a homeowner today?
I absolutely love it. We can make changes to the house without having somebody's permission. We can add things to the front yard, backyard. We don't have to worry about a landlord coming in saying, I got to fix this or I got to fix that. We own this. We make the decisions, not nobody else. And we love it. The whole process itself has brought the family closer together.
The dream come true.
Awesome. Tell me your story. How did you get here today?
Well, she works night shift, and she called and said she found a house. We knew our credit wasn't all that great, so we called a mortgage broker, Randy Wynn of Alcova Mortgage, and he confirmed that our credit basically sucked and that he could get us a house, but it would be at higher interest rates and stuff of that nature. And our credit was already in the mid 400s when we went to him to begin with. That's what he told us and everything. So, but he said he had a guy, which was you. And I spoke to you, and long story short, our credit went from the mid 450s to the mid 700s, almost 800s, all within a 6-month time frame. From the time I met you sat in my old house at my kitchen table to today sitting in my living room in front of the fireplace that you were admiring just earlier.
It's awesome. David, how do you like your home?
I'm so happy. I love it.
Awesome. I know you're proud of it. But even though you're in your home, this is not the end. Because next, in our next series, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to become debt-free. I'm going to show you some techniques on how to pay this mortgage off early without paying a single dime extra. It's going to save you thousands of dollars over the course of your mortgage. I'm so pleased to have had you as clients as well, and look forward to the future with you. Here at Casara Credit, our motto is we don't try to just impress clients. We want to impact the clients' lives.